Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is glambytai, aka Ty, and I'm back with another video. I feel like I've been MIA for a little bit, but back, and I'm back and better, bitch. Okay, back and better. So today, sis, we have this wig that I'm going to be finessing and turning my sister into me. This wig is from Wiggins Hair, and it is their 18-inch loose deep wave. So sis, bomb. It comes with 3 combs and the adjustable straps. I did go on ahead and bleach it and pluck the frontal already, so that's already done. Now I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of deets. This hair is beyond soft. All of the details I'm gonna have in the description box as usual, but I just want to show you guys there's no tangles, like none. In deep wave hair you might get some snags because it's curly, but this
funny, bro. I look like I look like Alright.
So you guys, meet my little sister. Okay, this is my little sister, Jada. Well, her name is Tatiana. Everyone calls her Jada. And today we finessed her. She wanted a wig so bad, so I was like, all right, come on, sis. Let me finesse. Let's go. So basically, I already went on ahead and attached her balding cap, I guess you could call it. That's why we were weak in the beginning, because she's seen herself bald for the first time, and it was too funny, sis, too funny. But what you're seeing me do here is I'm basically just cutting off the excess of that cap. That's what's gonna make it bald, nice, and sleek down. So boom, now that I cut all of the excess cap off, I gotta fuck with her, yo. She hurt. But I took some makeup and it did blend her complexion. The cap blended perfectly, but I'm extra, so I wanted to put some makeup on and just make sure everything was seamless, sis. See me use the same freeze spray, got to be freeze spray. I'm just spraying it all the way down, basically, because sometimes when you cut off the excess, it might lift a little bit. I'm just tacking that down and making sure it is completely transparent on that forehead, sis. We cannot have no lumps, no bumps, no nothing. So, all right, now it's time for the wig. I'm not gonna put the wig directly on. I'm just measuring it to her head, making sure that she can fit it and the combs are adjusted, the straps are adjusted, everything is good. So now what y'all see me doing here is I'm gonna pin all her hair back and start to apply. So boom, this is a method that I tried with her and it kind of did work. So basically I'm having her hold the blow dryer while I tack the wig down. I felt like that melted the lace like perfectly, only because you're drying it, you know, you're doing 2 steps in one. So if y'all want to try this method, yeah, she was fucking up a little bit, but whatever. If y'all want to try this method, let me know. Even if you don't got somebody to hold it for you, just try it, blow drying it while tacking it down at the same time, and maybe that'll work for y'all. So sis, I always, and I mean always, go back in and do my ear tabs, because I feel like that's the easiest part to lift in a wig. And if you do it the first time, that's fine, it might stick, but I like to go back in and, like, you know, make sure it's secure a second time. That's just my opinion, and that's just what I realized, that they start to come up easily. So I just make sure I go back in and, you know, slick them down. Alright, so here I'm just showing y'all what her hairline looks like. No baby hairs, nothing. Just lay down, sis. For those of you that use Got To Be, y'all know that sometimes when you lay your wig down, you get like a white or almost kind of like a glossy cast from the Freeze Spray. And I just like to take an alcohol wipe and wipe that all down. I don't like no residue left on my hairline, like, at all. So y'all see me just showing y'all what she looked like when I added like maybe 1 or 2 baby hairs. I ain't put too much, but I'm gonna style her up, and yeah, keep watching. Wanted to show y'all the curl pattern on this wig. It is a loose deep wave, so it's not as tight. It's more like, I could relate loose deep wave to like beach curls, honestly, like a beach wave, or when you braid your hair out and take it out. That's kind of like how the pattern is, but it's still bomb as fuck. So what I'm doing, I'm just wetting her hair up a little bit, getting it all set to style, and I'm gonna take some conditioner, some leave-in conditioner. That's all. That's it. We ain't putting too much product. Take some leave-in conditioner, and I'm breaking it all the way through just to set her curls, you know, keep them defined. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.